Part 2. Select a brokerage account. Depending on your objectives and situation, choose the sort of investment account you wish to start. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs, brokerage accounts, and 529 college savings plans are a few popular choices. Calculate the asset allocation. The term asset allocation describes how you divide up your money among several asset types, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. Your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and goals will determine the appropriate allocation. Risk can be decreased by diversification across asset groups. Invest first in inexpensive index funds or ETFs. It's frequently advised to start with inexpensive index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for novice investors. In comparison to actively managed funds, these products have lower expense ratios and provide wide market exposure. They might be a wise long-term investment choice. Thanks for watching.